In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your site from Wix Editor to Wix Studio. We'll start by getting into your account and opening the site you want to move. Head to wix.com and sign in. From your dashboard, locate the site you're planning to upgrade and open it in the Wix Editor. This gives you a clear view of your current layout, content, and features, which you'll use as a reference throughout the process. Before making any changes, create a safety net. In the Wix Editor, open Site Actions and choose Duplicate Site. This makes a full backup of your current site so you can always roll back or check original settings later. Give the copy a clear, recognizable name like Old Wix Editor Backup so it's easy to spot in your dashboard. Think of this as your snapshot in time. It keeps your work protected and makes comparison easier as you rebuild. Now return to your Wix dashboard and click Create New Site. When asked which editor you want to use, choose Wix Studio. This sets up a fresh environment with modern tooling and responsive controls, ideal for a more refined design and better performance across devices. Open your new Wix Studio site and use your classic site or the backup you just created as a visual and structural reference. Rebuild your pages one by one, matching the sections and layout you already have. Copy over your text and headings, bring in your images and media, and recreate your buttons, forms, and other interactive elements. Keeping both the old and new sites open in separate tabs makes this faster. As you work, take advantage of Wix Studio's responsive design tools. Adjust layouts to look great on desktop and mobile, use flexible grids and containers to improve spacing, and explore modern templates and components to elevate your design while staying true to your original content. Recreate interactions and basic behaviors you rely on, and preview frequently so you can spot alignment issues or spacing quirks early. When your pages are in place and everything looks consistent, click Publish to make your new Wix Studio site live. Immediately review it on desktop and mobile to confirm that text is readable, images are crisp, and buttons and forms work as expected. If something feels off, fine-tune your layouts and republish. Once you're fully satisfied with the new experience, you can unpublish or archive the old Wix Editor site so there's no confusion about which version is current. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys.